Agreed. To all students of Mega and Omega group of institutions from junior to the PG. So we got 6 certification exams which are designed for the August 15th, especially by the government of India and different organizations. Let us access the first link, which will direct you to the first examination. So what exactly you are supposed to do? So this is the website will be directed, will be provided with the 6 links. So the first certification is all about singing the national anthem with the video on. So upload that particular video and then download the certificate. Let me share you the model certificate, how it looks. So this is what the certificate of the first link after completion of the process. So let us move on to the second certification course. Yes, let me share this particular content. The second certification course is all about the gaming structure. So you can easily access the second link. Will be directed to the Ministry of Electronics site. So where first you are supposed to enter your details. So how we are supposed to enter the details so that we do get the certificate immediately. So first let me share one particular video. Let me check whether this video is being shared or not. Now let me share the video, right? So in what way you have to do the registration? See, if you are from the engineering, mention the college name in the shortcut, MITW Hyderabad. From the degree, Mega Women's Hyderabad, you make it in a shortcut manner. Mega Junior, Omega Junior, in that manner of the pharmacy, and then enter your details, the basic details. So once you have done with this particular basic details, so you will be asked to start the quiz. So once the quiz is started, we'll be having the 20 questions. Let me share once again. Check. Now, this is the most important stage during the certification program. So once you start the quiz, you'll be having 20 questions with certain time, calculated time. So we brought the questions as well as the answers for you. So those students who can go with the answers of your own, you are well appreciated. But the students who find difficult, you are providing the answers. Any 2 questions might be new. Remaining questions will be the same. You can follow this protocol as this. Once you finish this one, go for submit. I'll play this one once again. All our objective type questions. You can check the time frame also. Once you go with the submit option, it will verify your score. Yes. So minimum 80% you have to gain. So then easily you can download the certificate. This is what the certificate, how it looks. Right. So let us move on to the next certification course. Again, let us check with the link. The third one. So let me check whether this is third certification course, where again you will be directed to the government website for the new quiz. Here the quiz is on 1971 war. So how to go for this particular quiz? How to go for the sign-in process? So first, for the new student, you must have the Gmail account and you are supposed to go for the Gmail login. So let me share you the one more video. So let me share this particular video. Yes, it is already being shared. You can see. So first, how you are supposed to go. If you open the link, it will ask you for the sign in. Okay, you can use any methods to log in. Best method is to go with the Gmail or the Facebook account if you're having. Instagram is also well appreciated. So then the same name will be reflected in the certificate. Whatever the name you are maintaining in the Instagram as well as the Gmail. So then it will direct you to the quiz. Start the quiz. There will be certain questions. Here is the one format question. You can Google these questions for the answers easily. This is what format model. Then once you complete this one, you are going to achieve the certificate. Let me share you how the certificate looks like. Basic certificate. Let me share you. See, yeah, this is what the certificate from the Ministry of Defense. If you have successfully finishing the quiz, 1971 war organized by Indian Army. So yes, the entire Manish Sharma, the colonel. So let us move on to the next certification course, certification exam, the fourth one. So it is on the Women Olympics. So just if you click on the link, you will be directed to the new website where International Women Olympic Committee. What you have to do, enter your details and select as a player and go for which game. What are the game you like? You mention that particular game here. Then you will get the certificate. So let me show you how the certificate looks like here. Let me share the screen. So in order to view the certificate, you must enter your mobile number. Let me do that. Yes. So I hope on the screen you are able to see with the Indian Olympics. You can see Government of India. This is the certification. I'm going to achieve. Let me go with this next next certification course. Let me share the screen. So this is my government. Once again, Skill India, the same procedure what we have done for the 1971 war, the same initial procedure. Now last one is the pledge with respect to the again government of India. So how to operate this one? So first you press on the take pledge. I'll guide you the video. So let me. So what you have to do, the moment you are going to open this particular link, will be directed with one particular page. You fill your details and then go for the read pledge. Use any language, English. The pledge will be on the screen. You are supposed to read that pledge effectively. Then there will be option to download the certificate. It will ask you, yes, you have to mobile number verification will be done. Then it will provide the option to download or email. You can select anything. So this is what the certificate looks like. All the best, all the students. Hope all students get 6 certificates. So that's why we made it very in a simple manner. The student who is going to finish all the 6 certificates, the final quiz will be mentioned on August 14th. We'll update on that one. Thank you.